Okay, what we're doing here today, I've been on a 22 kick lately with German guns that are usually pre-war. These are post-war Kricos. This one's 50 years old and this one's actually 60 years old. And my friend Robert Simpson Limited, a friend of ours from Germany, guy who owns Classic Firearms, our buddy Kurt, just sent us about 400 guns and cover the whole spectrum. I know because I bought about 6 of them. But I was fascinated by these Krico 22 Magnums. Those are the first shots through it. I'm going to fire just 5 through each to make sure they go bang. First shots. Well, this one works. You know what's really interesting about these? Now this one's got an old Tasco scope on it, but it still has the German #1 reticle, which is 3 posts. And a lot of these rifles that Kurt imported, especially the centerfire rifles, have really, really expensive German optics. Some cases the optic's worth more than the rifle. But I'm really getting used to the German #1 reticle. Now this one here, another Krico, but it's got the name Wishko on it. It doesn't say Krico, which is short for something like Klein Sport Company in Stuttgart. But I believe this Wishko is a retailer in Germany, just like, say, Sears or Montgomery Ward's was here in the 50s or 60s, where they have a company like Krico make guns for them and they put their name on it. This one has set trigger, nice checkered stock, rosewood foreign cap, and this one's got a real nice German optic on it. So we'll see if this one works. Try the regular trigger first. Now we'll try the set trigger. Oh, what a difference. Pull the rear trigger, that sets it. And it works. So Kurt, if you're watching this from Germany, next time in your town I'll buy you a beer, and next time we're in Bangkok, we'll go back to the Pickled Liver and I'll buy you several beers. But thanks for sending all these really neat guns. Very happy with it. Now I'm going to actually sight them in and see how they shoot.